Can you explain these historical definitions of understanding of the brain as well? So let's start with Aristotle's Tabula Rasa. What was that theory? What did he mean by that?
So Tabula Rasa, we start with this blank slate and then we put stuff on it. It looks very logical. It had a huge impact, and it had a huge impact on many people. And there is not a single neuroscientist I know who would say, I believe in Tabula Rasa, because that sounds like a crazy idea today. Yet, most of the experiments that they, and to some extent we design, are framed and thought out within this framework. Moreover, when we interpret our results, it is still in this. Now, why is it so persuasive? And what is the history of it? You can start with Aristotle and everybody else before, and I said folk psychology is probably the right place to start. And they said, well, the reason why we have a soul is because it's so much more noble, so much more superior to the vanishing body that disappears, because time and space are horrible categories. I live only for a few years compared to the universe. I live in this little place compared to the vastness of the universe. I have to explain to somehow give some hope to me and to others that there is something else out there. Otherwise, why am I struggling in this world? So then you said, what is the soul and what is the mind? And then the reason why we have all of this complicated stuff is to learn about the world. And the reason why you have to learn about the world, because this is how your curiosity is decreased. And then knowledge is decreasing that discrepancy, and you will be happier.